Today we'll be looking at evaluation in logarithm. Evaluation in logarithm involve finding the unknown in a logarithmic equation. When a logarithmic equation is given, evaluation in logarithm concerns itself with finding the unknown in that equation. The equation can either be linear or quadratic. Linear if the highest power of x is 1. In such equation, you are going to have x equal to a particular value. But once it is a quadratic equation, you are going to have two values of x, where you say, for instance, x is equal to 2 or 3, as the case may be, depending on the root of that quadratic equation. So for this particular equation, this is a linear equation. So finding the value of x in this equation, we have log 4 to base 2 plus log 7 to base 2 minus log x to base 2, and this is equal to 1. This again is equal to log 4 base 2 plus log 7 base 2 minus log x to base 2 equal to. Now, since all of these log are in base of 2, we are going to express 1 in a log to base 2, and that will be equal to log 2 to base 2. Since all that we have there is in base of 2, expressing 1 in terms of log will be a log of 2 to base of 2, because log 2 to base 2 will also give us this 1. So at this point, we are going to collect like terms. Collect like terms. If you look closely here, you have log 4, log 7, log 2, whereas you have a variable here, log s. That's why we are asked to find the value of x in that equation. So collecting like terms, we are going to have log 4 to base 2 plus log 7 to base 2 minus this log 2 now is crossing here, you have log 2 to base 2, and that's equal to log s here minus log s to base 2, crossing the equality sign, you have log x to base 2. So what we have here now, we are going to apply the laws of logarithm, where you have the addition law and the subtraction law. For the first one here, we are going to apply the addition law for log 4 and log 7. Then we apply the subtraction law for minus log 2. So that implies that we have a log 4 times 7 to base 2 divided by 2. That is, since all of these are in the same basis, log 4 plus log 7, addition law says when two logarithms of the same base are added, the result is their product. That's why we are multiplying 4 and 7 here. Then for subtraction, if two logarithms are subtracted, the one being subtracted is used to divide the other, and all of them expressed to their common base. Log 4 base 2 and log 7 base 2, after adding them, you are going to subtract log 2 to base 2 from it. That's why we are dividing by 2 here. And all of this is equal to log x to base of 2. From here you have log 4 times 7 is 28 divided by 2 to the base of 2. That's equal to log x to base 2. Is equal to log 28 divided by 2, we have 14 So we have log 14 to base 2 equal to log x to base of 2. Since the bases are the same, we are going to equate the numbers, implying that x is equal to 14. So this is a value of x in this equation. Find the value of x if log 10 plus 9x to base 10 minus log 11 minus x to base 10 is equal to 2. So let's bring the equation. Log 10 plus 9x to base 10 minus log 11 minus x to base 10, that's equal to 2. This is subtraction of logarithm, so we are going to apply the subtraction law. And when logarithms are subtracted, the one being subtracted is used to divide the other one. So we are going to have log 10 plus 9x divided by 11 minus x to the base of 10, and that's equal to 2 expressed in terms of log to the base of 10 is log 100 to base 10. So since the bases are the same, we are going to equate the numbers. That is, we have 10 plus 9x divided by 11 minus x, and that is equal to 100. So at this point, we will cross multiply. And cross multiplying, we have 10 plus 9x multiplying 1, and that's 10 plus 9x equal to 100 will multiply 11 minus x, and this will give us 10 plus 9x equal to 100 times 11, we have 1100. 100 times x, we have 100x. So at this point, we'll collect like terms. Collect like terms. Collecting like terms, we have 9x. This negative 100x crossing the equality sign, we have plus 100x. That's equal to 1100. 10 crossing here, we have minus 10. And this is equal to 9x plus 100x, that's 109x, equal to 1100 minus 10 is 1090. Next, we are going to divide both sides by 109. Divide both sides by 109, and that is 109x divided by 109 equal to 1090 divided by 109. This 109 will go with this, and you are left with x equal to 1090 divided by 109 is equal to 10. So the value of x in this equation is 10. So we are done attending to this question that says find the value of x if log 10 plus 9x to the base of 10 minus log 11 minus x to the base of 10 is equal to 2. The value of x is 10.